Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Daisy Evelise. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video and turn on your post notifications so you know when I upload a new video. Before I get started on this video, guys, I just want to say that at least 43% of you guys that are watching my video are not subscribed to my channel. So I need you to do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Please, your girl's trying to get to 1K. But I wanted to do this video because my room, if you know, New York spaces are not the biggest in size. So this is for somebody who doesn't have like the biggest room, or even if you just want a vanity and don't want to spend tons of money getting a vanity. So I thought of this brilliant idea because I got my vanity. I made my vanity for under 300 bucks. It was a DIY. I kind of put everything together, and I think it would be cool to record this video for you guys so you guys can have an idea, or you know, where to start. There wasn't a lot of videos on vanity. Like, I did see a few videos, but the table just wasn't the size that I needed for my room. It was just like maybe a few inches bigger, and it's hard to find a desk that is very small. So this is a very small, it's super cute, it's for me, for my room. I love it. It's my space. I'm comfortable with it. I don't want to ramble you guys off, but if you want to learn how to do a mini vanity for under 300 bucks, just keep watching this video. Alright y'all, so this is what I'm working with right now. This is my little space. As you can see, I hate this freaking heater right there. We're going to replace that cover just because it takes up too much space. We don't use the heater, but it's going to be super ugly if we just take that out. But this is a small space I'm working with. This is my closet. But yeah, this is super tiny, super perfect for me, and I did all of this in less than 300 bucks. The mirror I got from Amazon. It's a Hollywood Vanity Mirror kind of vibes, almost like Impression Vanity, if you guys know that brand, but it's super expensive. So I got this for 127 bucks, and then I also got the desk from Target, which was like 117 bucks. So that right there brings your total up to like 200 and something, plus the chair, which was 25 bucks on IKEA. So this light, I really love it because it gives me like that, you know, vibe, the vanity vibe that all the girls have. I have a white room, so everything is literally white in my room. This is a 10 bulb dimmable mirror, so you can dim the light right over here. You can put it super bright. And then you also have a charging port right on the side here. That looks really bad. So it has a charging port on the side. These things don't really matter to me. You guys can decorate how you wanted it. I wanted it to keep it super simple. I wanted a charging port, so I have my charger and is a thing to hold my phone up. This is my makeup brush holder, a little flower to make it kind of cute, and a coaster because sometimes I have a drink on here. So it's super small, but it's super perfect for me. I wanted to show you guys the drawer. This is the drawer. I have my most worn foundations, a little snack. But the drawer is pretty big. It fits a lot of stuff. So this is like super perfect. Yeah, so this is how it looks, you guys. Also, I just want to let you guys know that this mirror was either to be hung up on a wall or put on a base. The base was too big for the desk. It came up about here, so I would have been left with like this much space. So the base was to be screwed onto the mirror from the bottom so it could stand up, and the desk actually came with holes in it because this desk came with a mirror, but I didn't want that mirror. I was so picky. I wanted this, you know, look. So the desk came with holes because the mirrors was supposed to be screwed onto the desk. So what I did is I measured exactly where the holes were for the base, and I drilled holes onto the table, and I put the screws that came to put on the base to screw it onto the mirror. So the mirror is actually screwed onto the desk, is not going anywhere, it's not moving. And then I have a little bit of space in the back of the mirror just because the hose was like in an awkward part on the desk. I didn't want to put it more back. I could have, but then I would have had holes in the desk, so I just decided to line it up exactly where the holes were for the desk. So what I use the back for is to store my camera, my lens, and it's really perfect. So this is my vanity, y'all, for less than 300 bucks. I'll link everything down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.